Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, Cancers. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. Cancers. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. Page of Pentacles in reverse, 10 of Pentacles and King of Cups. So, Cancers, you are someone really caring and loving with the people, maybe in your work or in your relationship, in your personal life. You look after others, you are a responsible person and you take care of the people who are there with you, guys. And you are talented and skilled, committed to your work and committed to this person you love in this relationship. And that may be the reason people love you. People are really happy to be with you. So they love your company, and there may be friends or family members coming to you for valuable guidance and support, guys. So they may ask your suggestions on certain things. So you are in a very good place today in your career or in your relationship, guys. And in this relationship with this person you love, you are happy for the way things are going. You have that perfect understanding, mutual love, trust, and you care for each other, and you have intimacy and harmony in this connection. You feel really happy, you feel inspired and happy to be with this person. So you have a great positive vibe in this relationship, guys, and that may be the reason. Maybe you are planning to gift them, maybe you are planning on some luxurious gifts, maybe a watch or a trip, something that will just take them by surprise. And you are also planning to propose to this person you love, guys. So it may be in it may be a gesture you are planning to impress this person, guys. So you love this person and you want to lead this life with you, and that may be the reason you are planning things this way, guys. So something that is going to take you by surprise, or take that other person you are in love with in a surprise. So some positive news can be expected, Cancers, in your situation, in your relationship, and even in your work situation, Cancers. You are getting some good news. Maybe some projects may complete before the expected timeline, or some rare opportunity, something which you never expected. You may land something very lucrative in your work situation, guys, Cancers. So a very positive, good reading is what I see, guys, with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching, guys. It's going to be a beautiful day for you all tomorrow, guys, Cancers. Thank you, guys. And please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So we will keep this card aside. Please like and comment guys if you like this reading. So we will see what is the card, the first card for you all. It's Snow White and it says purity. I hope you can see the card here guys. Yeah. So with this card it just means that you are a very honest person guys, pure soul. Maybe in your circumstances you have seen worse circumstances with people behaving in a bad way, people with evil intentions, but all that bad intentions or worse kind of behavior has not corrupted you at all, and your beautiful character, nature is going to shine through this time guys. Maybe you are in some difficult situation, people are trying to create a lot of obstacles or lot of stressful situation for you guys. They are trying to create problems for you, and they are jealous and they are rejecting you, and whatever is possible for them they are doing all that. But you are someone who is a pure soul, you are a good soul, and you are just smiling looking at your circumstances, and nothing is making an impact on you to change towards some negative things, like you don't want to retaliate to them in any way. So your kindness and your good nature, your pure heart is going to shine out today guys, and this kindness and pure heart is what is giving you success today guys. So whatever evil is upon you, it has not made it to your heart, and you are going to be triumphant today. You are going to win. Your good nature, your pure heart is going to win today guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading guys. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, it is Yin. So with this card it just means that in your situation today guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is the time for you to let the other person make the first move. So conscious are loving. So that is what this card means. Maybe letting the other person do what they need to do today, and you just need to wait and see where things are going. So in your relationship, you need to let the other person take the lead now. So your power lies in awareness that you are letting them do it, letting them you're giving them the reins, yielding your reins. So you will find yourself effortlessly moving closer to what you truly desire guys, what you truly want. So you need to let that other person tell you what they truly feel about you and who they can be to you, and letting their actions speak for themselves. So when you do that, you will be surprised guys. It will be something which you love, but all you are doing is you are making that other person do it. So that way your dreams are going to manifest, and actions and what to say, is flowing from the other person. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you are the person receiving whatever this other person is giving today, guys, to you. So that is what this card means. You just need to let that person give to you. Maybe not always we need to make the first move, we need to decide on certain things and do certain things. Sometimes we must let that other person make the move and take that action, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.